Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. Ugh. Ah, Theo was being a pain in the tush this morning. He's terrorizing Patton now. So poor Patton was outside, I didn't see him. He was standing behind me. I didn't see him and I kicked him on accident when I turned around, and then that, of course, that caused Patton to take off running, which caused Theo to run after him. And it was like, So I open up my scrapbook room window so Patton can have the effects of being outside without having to go on the porch with Theo, which then I open up the windows and they know that lizards sometimes are in the windows, and that's their favorite thing to hunt. So as soon as he heard the windows opening, he came in my scrapbook room, but there's a little bit of a breeze coming through and it's chilly. So this is a picture of that of Alex's brother, and he was just chilling after we ate, and they were going to go to the downtown Mount Dora, which is a historical place, and it's nice down there, so they wanted to go walk around because Alex had taken them there. Oh, maybe that's where they went. I think that's where they went on Wednesday when I was doing the turkey. I stayed home because I had things to do. Just fine because I worked on the turkey, had a glass of wine. So, the clothes pattern is from Simple Stories Cozy Days. That, there's a pink chevron, but you can't really see, it just looks pink. But there are little white chevrons. Is Favorite Club's Grandma's House. That plaid pattern is from Simple Stories Cozy Days. I'm going to use a red photo mat, which is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. It's right there. That's what I'm going to use for my photo mat. I think I'm going to need to get a new cutter because it fell on the tile and the peg that holds that in broke. So sometimes it shifts on me. So I super glued the peg back in to kind of hold it, but it moves on me at times, and then my cuts aren't straight and it drives me nuts. So I actually thought about getting the I think it's like a caterpillar, something like that. Cutter. They're expensive, but you don't have to buy blades for them because it sharpens, like self-sharpening, I guess, from what I understand anyway. So this one is, I'm going to use the title Stay a While, and I want to say that is from, and Stay a While and Make Yourself at Home is American Crafts 2nd Avenue Thickers. So this one I'm going to pull the foam off so it lays flat. So Stay a While is my main title, and then Make Yourself at Home is like a subtitle. And this is their first time. This is his family's first time at our new house. They've been to the rental, but this is the first time he brought his friend. And then I was going to use the cat die cuts, but I'm like, nah, I think, no, because I don't use either one. So the die cuts are Jen Hatfield's The Avenue. Oh, and then the love frame is also from the sticker book, Jen Hatfield's The Avenue. And the washi tape is Simple Stories, Cozy Days, that came in the kit. And that heart is foam sticker from Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And then the florals that are by the photo and underneath the heart is from the sticker book as well, from Jen Hatfield. And I'm going to use some phrase stickers as well from the same sticker book, as well as the heart clips that came in the kit. Normally I find it hard to use them, stuff like that, but I used them here and then finished using them on the turkey layout, which is next. I have that one ready to go as well. And it's Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. Here's the foam stickers. Oh, maybe it's the die cuts I use under the flower, yeah, and then the foams are by the heart. Here's where I use the phrase stickers. And I just do that to kind of finish it off because they seem unfinished to me. So, and then I'm going to be like, and then I'm going to add the clips. But I put the clips behind so you don't see the clip, you just have the heart. Here's where I'm like, So I was going to clip it, and I was like, no. I preferred it behind. So I put one there, and then one up there. I thought about putting a third one, but I'm like, or where to put that one? And then I thought about a third one, but I was like, no. So I'm just going to go with those. And then that is going to be all I do. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.